Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable automatic appearance updates on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure your Facebook app always matches your device's theme preferences. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll want to make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon. It's usually located in the top right corner and looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this icon to open up a list of options. Now, scroll down through this menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option to expand it, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. In the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down a bit to find the Preferences section. Within this section, look for an option called Dark Mode. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Dark Mode to open up your appearance options. Here, you'll see a few choices, but the one we're interested in is Use System Settings. By selecting Use System Settings, you're telling Facebook to automatically adjust its appearance based on your device's current theme. This means if your phone is set to dark mode, Facebook will switch to dark mode too. When your device changes to light mode, Facebook will follow suit. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic appearance updates for your Facebook app. Now you can enjoy a seamless visual experience that always matches your device's settings without having to manually switch between light and dark modes. Remember, this feature not only looks great, but can also help reduce eye strain, especially when you're using your device in low light conditions. Plus, it's a great way to save battery life on devices with OLED screens. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly optimized Facebook experience.